Hi, I am Venkatesh, Assistant Professor in EC Department at Raguni College of Engineering and Technology. Now we are going to see a topic in Principles of Management. The topic title is Decision Making. A decision making. The word decision has been derived from a Latin word decider, which means cutting off. Thus, decision involves cutting off of alternatives between those that are desirable and those that are not desirable. So decision making is a selection based on some criteria from two or more possible alternatives. So characteristics of decision making. Decision making implies that there are a various alternatives and those most desirable alternatives is chosen to solve the problems or array in a expected result. The decision makers have freedom to choose an alternative. The decision making may not be completely rational but may be a judgmental and emotional. Decision making is an goal oriented. So the symptoms of group thinking is based on illusion of vulnerability, collective rationalization, beliefs of inherent morality, stereotype view of outgroups, directed pressure on disseminators, self cognitorship, illusion of anonymity, self appointed which may be currented. Next, type of decision making. First one is group decision making. A group decision making has a reorganizational decisions into categories based on the procedures of they followed. Here, programmed decisions and non-programmed decisions. Programmed decisions are routines and respectives and they are made within the framework of an organization policies and rules. These policies and rules are established well in the advance to solve recurring the problems in the organization. Programmed decisions have a short-run impact. They have generally taken at the lower level of the management. And the next one is non-programmed decisions. A non-programmed decisions are decisions taken to meet non-respective problems. Non-programmed decisions are relevant to solving unique and unusual problems in which the various alternatives cannot be decided in advance. A common features of non-programmed decision is that they have to be a novel and non-recurring. Therefore, they are ready to give a solution for a availability of ideas. Since these decisions are high importance to have a long-term conclusions they have made to a top level of the management. So next, strategic and tactical decisions. The organization decisions may be also classified into strategical and tactical. So next, techniques for group decision making. First one is brainstorming, dialectical inequality, nominal group techniques, Delphi techniques. So here the strategical decisions based on the strategies decisions are decisions which are the art of comprises of importance. Strategic decisions are the major choice of actions controlling allocations of resources and contributions of the achievements of an organizational objectives. Decisions like plan locations, product specifications, enterprises, new markets, selecting and channels of distributors. Tactical decisions, routines of decisions have been made to which are routines in respectives. Tactical decisions related to day-to-day operations of an organization has to be and taken very frequently. So the tactical decisions are mostly programmed one. Therefore, the decisions can be made within the context of the variables. The authority of making tactical decisions can be delegated to lower level managers. The first, the impact of tactical decisions is narrow and short the terms of the seconds of their levels, and the higher level managements are free to develop the more times of the strategical decisions. So first, brainstorming is an idea generation of decision making. Osborne's used to brain to storm the problem is given to a group clearly and each members are asked to give an idea. Factors inhibiting the idea of generation is pushed back and criticisms on commands are strictly prohibited. So next, dialectical inquiry. So two different groups are assigned to a problems and each group is responsible for evaluating alternatives and selecting one of them. Top managers then hear each group present in their alternatives and each groups have to conclude their ideas. So in the nominal group techniques, here you have to taking five different steps. First to introduce and explain about the problems and have to take a decision about the process. Next, they let the members to generate the ideas of silently. Third, share the ideas. Fourth, discuss each ideas as a group. Fourth, vote and rank for the ideas. So the members first one introduce and explain. The members are introduced the purpose of procedures by getting the explained. Second, let the members generate the ideas. Facilitators give a paper to all the members in that particular group. The groups write down and any ideas as they have to a thinking. Then it should be an silence and time bordered. Delphi techniques. The Delphi techniques is there for the informations about the future member do not have the face-to-face interactions. Decisions arrived by filling up the Congress. A small group of decisions are Congress which is completely by a large response group. Results are then tabulated and used to developing an revised Congress which is completed by a large group. This is repeated until the issues are narrated and the consequences reached. There is a useful to problem which the benefits from the each subsets of judgment. So after making a decision, we have to express the ideas in a group of structures. So here they are considering two. One is group polarization and another one is group dynamics. Tendency of for a members of a group discussing an issue to move towards a more extreme version of the positions they have held in their decision begins. Second one, group dynamics. It deals with the attitudes and behavioral patterns of a group. Next, theories of group informations. Pro notice theory, Human's theory, balance theory, exchange theory.